So I bought this leather splitter. It's a cheap one. I can't remember. I think I paid like $55 for it. I really struggled with buying one of these cheaper ones because I used to have a leather splitter, but I paid like $1,200 for it. This is back when I had a professional shop. This one here is a lot cheaper than that, of course, but it's not a hand crank one like the other one I had. And this one takes these razor blades. Right, let's see, what did I do with those? Okay, they're right here, these razor blades. It takes these. And I've already used it a little bit, and it works surprisingly well. This is how you adjust it. These with these, there's one on each side, and so in order for it to skive evenly straight across, you have to get this adjustment the same on both sides. Then this, you push this lever down, and you can see your leather piece goes in here. And then you pull it through this direction, like that. And I'm going to do that for you now. Okay, so now I've got my camera set up above there. And we'll put a piece of leather in there. I think I'm going to adjust it a little bit, make it a little bit thicker, take a little bit more off. So we'll put her about halfway through, and then we'll pull it through. And then we'll turn the piece around, start here, and see, this is where we'd already thinned it there. So now it's going to grab a hold right there and start. And so this is what I cut off and thinned it down to that right there. And this is how thick it was when I started. So you can see the difference. I didn't take a lot off, but I wanted to try it that way this time. So anyway, it works pretty well. And this is not an advertisement. Like I say, I just bought this thing on Amazon. It's called a Wuta, W-U-T-A. Well, thanks for watching.